Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Scratch again. And today we go to the new lesson 7, talking about debugging. Okay, so you read this instruction first, do this, debug this program. Okay, so let's read the instruction first here. Try this. Okay, notice that the slider at the bottom of the screen. Okay, the slider here. Okay, you can see at the bottom of the screen. Currently, the speed is set to turtle. So it has speed at turtle, it means slow, and rapid, it means fast, and middle between the turtle and the rabbit, it means it's medium. Okay. So this slow down the running of the program so you can watch each step and debug. Okay. If you flip the code from block to the text mode, okay, you can see the code highlight as it runs. Okay, from block to the text mode. So if you code like that, it's difficult for you to see the highlighter color. It represents the code running. Okay, so it should show the text. It will be easy for you. Okay, to consider. So this is a form of visualizer, a tool software developer to use to have visualize code and find bugs. So before I started, I just want to mention you about what is debug. Debug is the process of finding and fixing your program or your code. It means that debug, it means that code doesn't work properly. Okay, so we just run this program and you will see the highlights, the yellow highlight. It work only the first line. Okay. After it come to the second line, it will show the error below. Error at line 2. Okay. It say that, oh, we can't figure out what green is. So it doesn't know what is green. But we want to show the word green to the console.log. So as we have studied about the console.log, if you want to print something in the console, if it is character, you should include it in the code, right? Okay. If you did not include the character in the code, it will be shown an error like that. Okay. So this error tells us what is the error and what should we do. Okay. So you just put the code here and reset and run again. Okay. The green highlight it so it represents the coding is run. Okay. From 1 to 1. Okay. So it will show up like that. And 5 is a number. Okay. I hope you all remember about the print or console.log something in the console here. Okay. So I press finish. Continue. Okay. So the puzzle 2 is just debug this program. Okay, so how could you debug it? You just run it and see what is error. Okay, so you can make it faster by slider here. Okay, so you can see that the error and again line 1 is no problem, line 2 still no problem, line 3 and line 4 is problem. It can't figure out the blue, this word here that's highlight. So blue should be inside the code too, right? So you just put it in the code like that. After that, you set and run again. Okay. So I think it's worked. So our program has no error or no debug. Finish. Okay, instruction. Run app to see how it works. Okay, run. Okay, I See how it works. Okay, now I see the something uneven inside that. So I click on the cows. Okay, you heard the sound cow and it will show the text here, cows. I click on the roster. Okay, at the roster is nothing. I click on the pig. Oh, when I click on the pig, it will show the roster sound. So it's debugging this program to use the correct sound and type when the user clicks each animal. So uneven on the pitch is not right. So you can copy the code, these two lines of code, and after that I cut it and put it with the roster image here. After that I cut the roster image to the pitch. Okay, now I run again and click on the pitch. Okay, it will make sound a pig. Okay, so I think, but it doesn't show the text here as pig. So oh, it will be the pitch here. Oh, it will show the pig, and after that I click cow. Oh, cow is show here. The pitch is not. Okay, what is problem? So maybe I add something here, like I set the property to the app. Okay, sorry, to the app name, not the app name, to the animal tag here. Okay, so animal tag it represent this code. Okay, you can see in the design mode, switch to design mode and click on this tag. You will see animal text, and this big text here is app name. So I think the app name should not change, right? Should not change. So I use only this. Okay, so I copy this or cut this to paste it. We don't change the the, the app name. Okay. Okay, cow, page, roster. Okay, something wrong on the roster. You can see the yellow warning here. The uneven the roster image. You can go to the design mode and click on this picture roster image. I think something went wrong with this ID. I copy it, go to the code again, and then I pause it. Okay, something wrong. Okay, so I click run again and click on roster. Okay, that's something great. Okay, work. Okay, that's cool. So that's all about this puzzle. Finish it. Okay, how about this puzzle? Okay, something is like a video. Okay, after you finish watching this video, okay, that video is talking about the bug and debugging. So it's guides or tell us to don't be afraid to get bug. Okay, if you get bug, you find the solution and try to debug it. It means that you find what has happened, what's something wrong, and after that you try any solution. Finally, you will get the solution. It means that so even the expert or developer of year still makes bug, but they doesn't stop coding. They still coding and find bug. Okay, it means that we debug it. Okay, we find the solution for it. So go back to the puzzle 4 and run this program to see how it works. Let's run it. You can see how it works. Oh, when I hover the mouse on the picture or the smiley face, it will change the color and change the location. Okay, where it is? I can't see it. Where? Oh, it's out of the screen, right? Oh, what is that? Okay, that's great. Okay, this is, I think it is the bug, right? It's the smiley face is out of the screen. So debug the program so that smiley face does not go off the screen. Okay. So how could you debug it? How can you, everyone? Set properties smiley. There's the background here. It is not related to the X and Y. So I think this is the X and Y here. So the random number is set 8 to 0 and from 0 to 400. So like we know that as we know the 8 it is not 400, it's only around 320. So you can change it to 320 only, right? So how about the y? Y is about around, okay, 450, like I said. Okay, 450, around that. So you run it again. Okay, this time the smiley face not go out of the screen. Okay, you can see it. Oh, what is that? It is still go out. Oh, so you couldn't do that. Okay, now I put only 300 and this only 430. Try again. Does it go out of the screen or not? I think this time. Okay, it still go out. Wow. So you should take around 400. Then test. Okay, you find and test your solution. Okay. Okay. Maybe this time it not go out of screen. Okay. 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 So the more you put the stop, the more smaller it will show on the screen. If you take it bigger, it means that it will go off the screen, right? So you can put 300 for H and Y 400 only. So finish it. Go. Come to club fair. Okay, even detail. Okay, what is that? Run this program to see how it works. Run it. Okay, I heard the sound. Okay, now I click on the detail button. Oh, when I click on the tab button, it direct me to another screen and show some text here. Okay, and you can click go back. Okay, but we can't go back, right? Okay, that's it. Add code to the program so that the go back button take the user back to home screen. Okay, what we want to do is to make the can see the screen here, home screen and the detail button, the detail screen here. So you must, what we have to do is to code your go back button and make it when you click it, you can go back to the home screen. So it's quite easy, right? You just drag and drop the on event, and after that you put ID of your button. Okay, like detail button. No. Okay, I can see go back button. So if you don't know what is go back button, you can go to the design, go to the detail screen and click on that button. You will see go back button. Okay, you can copy it. Okay, and go to code and pass here. Okay, now I already selected go back button. When you click on that go back button, you set screen. Set screen, it means that it redirect you to another screen. So where you want. So you just click Control and space. It will list down how many screen you have. So you just click to home screen, right? Okay, and semicolon. It will be finished. Run it again and click on Even Detail. Okay, so now you click Go Back. Okay, it will redirect you to the home again. Even, go back, even, and go back, like that. Okay, that's all. Okay, go to the puzzle 6. Okay, don't put uneven block inside the other block. You almost never want to. Okay, it's just the guy. You do not need put uneven, another uneven. Okay, it can be. So do this. Run this program. Hit the up button. Play music. Then stop music and hide the control. Hide the control. Okay. Without resetting the program, repeat the process to play the music. Okay. Now I just run. Okay. You just press up button and then I just play the music. Okay, I heard the sound, heard the music, and after that I stop the music. Okay, and after that I hide the control. Okay, so without resetting the program, repeat the process to play again. Okay, now press again, play, stop, hide, again, again. Okay, again. Okay, I heard something. Do you notice something weird happen this second time playing music? Okay, I heard that. I hope you all heard that too. Discuss that with partner. Why do you think this happening? Debug the program to fix issue found. Okay, the sound of the music will be faster and faster, right? When you press play again and again. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I think it's not faster, but it should be the duplicate. Okay, so find the solution for this up button. Okay, uneven. So this is a problem, right? You could see, right? Okay, so it's uneven here, like the mentioned above. You don't put uneven block inside the other block. So the this one and this one and this one inside the up button. So every time you click the up button, this code will be work. Okay, these three, one, two, and three. So what you have to do is just cut it out from the uneven. Okay, leave it alone like that. So this uneven. Okay, so you can rearrange the code to be more readable like that. So, okay, can run again. So I think this time your music is not faster like before. Stop. Okay, hi. So, okay. Now, no matter how many times you play, the music is still the same, right? Okay. So that's all. Finish it. Continue. So go to the puzzle 7. Run this program to see how it works. Then add code to app. Make it excited button work. Oh, make the excited button work. So now maybe now I click run, and after that I click on the picture, nothing happened. Click on this, no happen. Cam. When I click cam, the text is so here with the sound. Tired. Change the text and play the music. Okay, for relax. Click excited. Excited is thus nothing happened here. So it is time for us to do that. So you can pick a song, image, okay, and text to show when the button is clicked. Make sure only excited button has the tick banner. When it clicked, you can use the code for the other button for idea to how to write the code. So it's great, right? So you can coding by yourself or copy something from the other button to be sample, right? So I just make it by my own. So first, you can go to the design mode and you can see this picture. Okay. Oh, it get it from the pizza bay. Okay, pizza bay and pizza bay. Okay, so we could break it here first. Okay, so excited button. So you can copy it. This ID, copy and paste here. So when I click it, you can set your copy from here. You can set the border width to like that. It is will be white. This is will be white like that. So you can copy this here. Also, you can copy it. And after that, you change the add button ID. So when you click the excited button, oh no, again. So I just tired button, copy tired button. Okay, this should be 0, and that the excited button should be 2, right? So let's try. Okay, you can see that the border of the excited button another is no. So after that, you can set a property like image. You can copy from somewhere. Okay, now I go to Pizza Bay. Okay, Pizza Bay. Okay, I find something. Okay, now I try to find the like excited. What is excited feature? Should I get it? So I just choose this. Okay, how could we get link from that? I copy it. I can copy the link or not. Okay, where could I use that? How could I use that picture? I click share. Okay, I can get here, maybe. But I couldn't see the, oh, maybe I could not use that. Could I open? Okay, this way. You can right click and then open in a new tab and copy the link here, right? Copy it. Okay, go to our code. And after that, I pass it here. And after that, I use the set property to the, okay, main image. And after that, I click the image. Okay, the image property. Okay, and image, main image property, and cut it, press it, and then I pass it here like that. So when I click the excited, the picture will be show up here. Okay. So next we set the property to the main text. Okay. Main text in this text, you can click here. So here. And then you change the text with this element or with the label element. It has many property like text. So what you want to change? So you can say that like that. Today is very good day. Okay. Okay. I show the text like that. And after that, you can say and then stop the sound. Okay, stop the sound like that. When I'm tired, when you click excited, it will show another image and then stop the last sound. Okay, after it stopped the last sound, it will play the sound, right? Play sound. So you can choose the sound like you can get something from music, like I said, like excited. Does it have excited? No, maybe excited. I choose music, right? Music. Okay. I okay. I choose this one, for example, for you, right? Okay, and then that's all. Maybe I choose fall. It's not loop. Refresh and run. Calm, tired, excited. Calm, tired, excited. Okay, that's all for the our app, right? Finish it. So it's time for all of you guys to reflect on programming. So this is the question. What is one thing you really enjoy about today's activity? Is there anything that you found confusing or need extra habit? So answer the question here in the box here. Okay. So that's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching, and if you have learned something from this video, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Okay, see you in the next video.